Hey guys, this is Karol with another affiliate marketing video, and today we're going to look at the question, is affiliate marketing worth it? Alright, you might be over here wondering, is affiliate marketing something you should be looking into it? Is it something you should invest your time or money into it and start working in this affiliate marketing business? So in this video we're going to answer this question and look for the reasons for or against affiliate marketing. So before we get into all of that, we need to understand what do we actually mean by being worth it. All right. Generally speaking, there are two types of people that come into affiliate marketing. The first group of people are the ones who usually tend to think or see affiliate marketing something kind of like a get rich quick thing, all right? Something where you can, start today and see the results tomorrow. Something where you don't need to do any kind of work on your part, and something which is maybe kind of like a click and drop thing, okay? And so on and so forth. Now, if you're this type of person, unfortunately, I will be completely honest with you, this is not going to be worth for you. And the reason behind that is that affiliate marketing is a business such as anything else, all right? If you would, open a brick and mortar store, you wouldn't necessarily expect, thousands of sales the very next day, all right? You would know that it requires some time, some effort, and all the other things for you to do in order to see the big results. And that's exactly the same with affiliate marketing. There are certain things you need to do from your end that are required in order to see the results, all right? So if you're that type of person, unfortunately, this is not gonna be worth it for you. However, if you're the type of person who is willing to do the work, who is willing to put the work into it, who is willing to learn new skills, who is willing to get out of their comfort zone and do things that are maybe uncomfortable for you, and is serious about this business, making it a long-term business, then this is gonna be really worth it for you. And here are just some examples and reasons why affiliate marketing is going to be worth for you. First of all, affiliate marketing is nothing new. It's a well-established business, alright? So it's not like something that came here, last year and is gonna be gone by the next year, but it's a well-established business. People love it, customers love it, companies love it, affiliate marketers love it. So everybody who is involved in it love it, and 80% of the big companies that are around the world on the market have affiliate marketing incorporated into their business in some form or another. Okay, and so affiliate marketing is really here, and it's just on the growth, especially in this global situation and all of that, and it's just going to go on and on, because that's just how where the market is heading in the future. Now, what else is there to see and talk about affiliate marketing? If you've done any other online business, or maybe pretty much any business at all, you know that it requires not only selling part, all right, but it requires also you have to have some products, that you're going to offer, and so on. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to have your own product or to actually own any product, right? So there is no product creation, okay? Or actually no product handling. You don't have to have any product. You are going to promote and sell other people's products for a certain commission, right? Another great thing is that there is no customer service. No customer service. I can tell you from my experience from selling online, eBay, Amazon, that customer service sometimes can be really frustrating, and it can take so much time and nerves, from your end to deal with these things, refunds and all that stuff. With affiliate marketing, you don't deal with any of that, all right? That's done by somebody else. Now, what else is there? Affiliate marketing is a highly profitable business, all right? Profitable. How or why? The commissions in affiliate marketing are ranging from 30% to 50%, 75%, and even you will find products that are offering you 100% commissions from the selling price. Alright, so it's highly profitable business, especially with digital products. Another reason what might be very interesting for you is that affiliate marketing is a location-free business. You don't need pretty much anything, just internet connection to log into your business. All right, so location-free. All right, now you might be asking, all right, that sounds, everything sounds very nice, looks good, but the big question is it something that is worth for me to get into? Is it something that is gonna kind of like break the bank for me? And the answer is yes, it is. With affiliate marketing, you can do really good if you're willing to put what we talk about, to put the work into it, learn new skills. There are people who are earning 5, 6, 7 figures a month purely from affiliate marketing. All right, so you can definitely do really good with affiliate marketing, and it has that potential to change your life completely. If you're willing to put in the work, willing to learn new skills, be somebody that you actually want to be, get out of the comfort zone and all of that, then affiliate marketing is really worth for you. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you got a lot of value from it, hope now you see that, okay, this is something I want to get into. Alright, this is something that I want to get involved in, and if that's you and you would like to have maybe some guidance or some A to Z plan or blueprint on how to actually build this, how to actually start with your affiliate marketing business and bring in consistent sales, then go ahead, grab my 4-day video series, which is completely free. You get full access to it, and it's going to teach you literally from A to Z how to build your affiliate marketing business. Alright, so it's the first link in the description below. If you go for it, I will see you inside of it. If not, completely fine, I will see you in the next videos. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye guys.